and this is Brunette Wig Place, and today I am bringing you a review for Wig Studio One. Just a reminder before I get started, Wig Studio One has a Facebook group that's a private group called Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. We would love for you to come over and join the group. It's a great place for hair loss support and for wig chat. So really a fun group. So today I am wearing Jon Renau Mariska in the color Midnight Cocoa, which is FS4 3330A. This shade is one of the syrup shades from their chocolate collection. So really, really pretty dark brown with some highlights. Very, very pretty. So let me show you her from all the way around and then we'll get into all of her specifications. So here's the front. My right side. Okay, so as far as her measurements are concerned, her bang here is 5.5 inches. She is 6.25 inches from the crown. Her sides are 3 inches and her nape back here is 2.5 inches. So as far as the cut, now this is a fully hand-tied monotop smart lace front wig. So she does not have permatease. So if you're looking for a pixie that doesn't have permatease, this is a great style. She also is a longer layered pixie, so you're not gonna start getting, you know, like I said, from the crown is 6.25 inches. So you're not gonna have those little short spiky hairs on the top. If that's something that, you know, again, if you're looking for something that where you can get a lower volume style, you can, you know, fluff her up and get more volume in her if that's what you prefer, but you do have that ability to smooth her down and have her not be as voluminous. And, you know, some people like the volume, some people don't. So I just like to point that out. That's really a great advantage of having this fully hand-tied monotop cap. So let me show you her lace front. She has the Jon Renau Smart Lace Front, very nicely done. Even though the knots, you know, this is a dark brown, so even though the knots are dark, they are lighter towards the front, which is really nice. Not lighter in color, but lighter in density. So really, really nice. This monotop, you could part it in the middle, you could part it on the right, either one. So you have that option to part it wherever you'd like. The ear tabs are very, very nice. There's a really generous piece of metal in here. I'll show it to you when I show you the inside of the cap too, but I've got really, really great coverage and you know, it's not impinging on my ear or anything like that. Now, the Mariska does come in a petite cap, but I will say I am a true petite. I am a 21-inch circumference. I'm 11 inches from ear to ear and 13 inches from forehead to nape. And this cap is fitting me really, really well. So I would say that the petite Mariska might be for someone who's less than a 21-inch circumference because, I mean, I just don't have, you know, there's some stretch in the cap to go up to average, but I just don't have a lot of, you know, it's just fitting my head really, really well. So just to point that out about the fit of the cap. I'm not sure that this would be a good style for someone with a larger head. If you do have a larger head, you can chime in the comments and let us know if you have tried the style. That would be very helpful because I'd be curious to know just how much stretch you feel like, you know, the wig has. So really cute. So let me pop her off and I'll show you the inside. Okay, so there is that smart lace front. Very nice. Jon Renau has a great cap construction, very well made. There's that full mono top, fully hand-tied all throughout the cap. The ear tabs are covered with the soft velvety felt. There's that big piece of metal I'm talking about, so that enables you to really have good coverage, you know, around those ear tabs to get that to fit nice and snug around your head. She does have an extended felt nape, and she has Velcro adjusters. So very, very nice. And as you can see when I put her back on, she's very much, take her out of the box, give her a shake, and put her on, and she's very, very easy to, you know, put on and get going. You just straighten her out a little bit. Like I said, she's really cute, fluffed up, or just, you know, you don't have to do a whole lot to her. I mean, I'm pretty much just finger combing her to get her in place, so really, really cute style. Very easy and very comfortable cap. Okay, so this color is Midnight Cocoa, which is FS4 3330A. So it is a dark brown with medium auburn and dark auburn brown highlights. Very, very pretty dark brown. Trying to avoid that glare. The camera wants to lighten up when it doesn't have my face, so. But we'll take her outside too and look at the shade outside. That's really a great place to see what the shade really, really looks like. Okay, super cute. So let's take her outside and we'll look at Midnight Cocoa out in the natural light. Okay, so I'm outside with this Midnight Cocoa shade on Jon Renau Mariska. So this is under my patio cover. Before I get out in the bright sun, you can really see those highlights, those auburn highlights. Now step out here in the bright sun. Very pretty dark brown with some highlights. Okay, so we're back inside and we will talk about styling on Mariska. So since she has a full mono top, one thing I do want to mention is that means you can part her anywhere on this mono top. So if you like a middle part, you can do a middle part. If you like a right side part, you could part her from the right. She came with a left side part, so I have just kept her at a left side part. I've gotten very used to left side parts since most wigs have left side parts or come with left side parts, but you do have that option, you know, to part her anywhere on this mono top, which is really, really nice. So that's a great thing about a mono top wig. So as far as styling, you know, you can do a lot of things with her. Since she has the full mono top, you can put all kinds of clips. You can clip her off, you know, clip the whole front back because she does have this beautiful smart lace front. Look at my mirror real quick. So she looks really cute like that. If you just want to pull, you know, the whole front back, or if you just want to get it off your forehead, you know, for one day or whatever. She's also really cute if you stick in little headbands and little accessories like that. Really, really cute. And if you prefer, you can also just tuck her behind the ears, and that's just another way that you can wear her and just change the style up a little bit. Very nice ear tabs, like I said earlier. And then you could put, you know, you could tuck her, put the headband in like that. So really, really cute. Let me also show you glasses. Here are my glasses. Very easy. Glasses are great with her. Glasses can go up on your head with her. So she's a very easy, very comfortable style. Really, really cute pixie. So really a fun little style. Thank you to Wig Studio One for sending her to me for a review today. There'll be information for purchase below this video. Until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.